Hey guys, um, this video is going to be talking about the topic sentence. What's the topic? We've been talking about main idea and topic sentences and how those words are kind of interchangeable, which means that when I ask you for the main idea, you could also locate the topic sentence, which will give you the main idea of the paragraph or paper, whatever we are working on. This worksheet that we're going to do today is focusing on just identifying the topic. So it's going to have topic sentences written, and you just have to write a quick word or two of what you think the topic is. And then when we get to class tomorrow, we will go over these together to see if everyone is understanding the concept. So in the top right-hand corner, it has the topic sentence in the paragraph clearly states the main idea. So remember that, topic sentence, main idea. So anytime in class I use those words, know that they go together. So while it's usually at the beginning of the paragraph, it can also be in the middle or end. These we're not going to be finding them in the paragraphs. We are just seeing topic sentences and figuring out their topics. So remember that topics are usually repeated several times, or they are clearly the main idea of that sentence. So in this example right here, they said that the topic is, are life jackets important? So that's what they claim the topic is. So let's read it and see if they're right. It says, everyone should wear a life jacket when they are on a boat. Life jackets have been proven to save lives. No one can predict when an accident might happen. There may not be enough time to put on a life jacket, but if you are already wearing it, it may save your life. So let's look at this. They underlined everyone should wear a life jacket when they are on the boat. These sentences that follow it support why you should wear a life jacket each time you're on a boat. So it says life jackets have proven to save lives. That goes back and tells you why they're important. You can't predict when things happen, so it's saying that this is why you should wear it each time you're on a boat. So that supports it. The next sentence says there may not be enough time to put on a life jacket, but if you're already wearing it, it may save your life. So all of these sentences support the idea that everyone should wear a life jacket. And then the topic, so they chose that the topics are life jackets important. So all of the following sentences did support that topic. So all you have to do in these sentences that follow, you are going to write what you think the topic is for each one. It's very simple. They did a full sentence. I'm not asking you to do that. I want you to find the quick, easy topic that you can get with these these sentences that are already on here. These are all just simple topic sentences, so we know they're the main idea, but we need to figure out what their topic is. So number one says, having friends and being a good friend can sometimes be work. So what I want you to think about is what's the theme of that sentence? What do you think they're going to be talking about in the next the rest of the paragraph? What do you think that having friends and being a good friend can sometimes be work? What do you think that the sentences that are going to follow support? So all I want you to do is choose the topics for each one, and then we'll come back tomorrow and go through them all. And if we have had any questions, you can feel free to ask me. If you have any questions while you're working on this, write them down. Write them down in here where you're going to write your answer. If you have a question, mark it down so that way you can remember to ask me. Okay, so I will see y'all tomorrow.